Here's a quick video showing you how to complete your extra credit assignment. First, you want to log into the classroom and go ahead and click on the assignment, the extra credit assignment. From there, a website will pop up. Make sure you sign in with Google because that will save your work if you don't finish in one sitting. Once you sign in, your name should pop up here. If not, make sure you try signing in again and then go ahead and join. So your extra credit is an equations card sort. You have to match the first step, the second step, and the correct solution with each equation. On your assignment, there's 10 equations, but for my example, I'm only using 3. Well, I'm going to start off with this one right here. So you're going to click and drag each first, second, and solution to the correct equation. So here I have x over 3 plus 12 equals 15. I know my first step is to subtract 12 from both sides, so I'm going to find that here and place it on top. Now it becomes 2 cards. My next step after that is to multiply 3 on both sides, so I'm going to multiply 3 on both sides and place it on top. And after that, I know my solution is going to be 9. And then I can close that out, and there's one of my equations over here to the side. I'll do the same with the other equations. So 3x plus 5 equals 18. Subtract 5 from both sides. Divide both sides by 3. And x will equal 5. Close my cards. Place it over to the side out of the way. And last step, or last equation, I have x plus 5x equals 12. This one I'm going to combine like terms first to make 6x. Then I'll divide both sides by 6. And x equals 2. And that is how you're going to complete your assignment. You do not have to submit it. After you have your card sorted out, I can see from my end if you did it correctly. And remember, each equation is half a point, so you can earn up to 5 extra credit points. Alrighty.